Hi, I called earlier today. Me and my husband had gotten into a fight and threatened me, and the police came out and they took they said you can put a warrant on him for threat, and they said if he came back tonight to call you guys. He's not right. He needs mental help. He went outside and got a gas can, and he is pouring gas throughout my house right now. He said he's going to light the house up whenever the cops come. So I don't know if you need to bring SWAT, what? I don't know. A negotiator or something? I don't know.
Okay. I'll put mine down. Go ahead and just put those down, man. You just step out on the step right there and talk to us. Okay. Put those down. We'll take baby steps, but put them all down. No, you got one in your hand still holding the door. Step outside. What are you doing with that? Carl, it's just going to get more complicated if this takes longer, man. Go ahead and just step outside onto the step. Just step outside with that off. Put that down and step outside. 192, if you can quiet down the 60s, he's a little agitated. Go ahead and put that can down and step out so we can talk, man. No, we don't want to do that. We all just got to work, man. We just want to have an easy night. We don't want to do anything silly. Well, what happened? Okay, people argue all the time. It's not a big deal. It's not worth getting things all spun out of control about, man.
That's 93. Let's have some of the cars coming in to block off. I think it's Halsey and Fairmore right there.
Put that can down. We're not trying to shoot you, man. No, he doesn't. Nobody wants to shoot you, I promise. It's too cold out for that.
Carl, you can decide how easy this goes, man.
Just come on. I appreciate you putting that can down, man. Just step out on the step for us, buddy. Thank you. One, 192, we got him out.
Hey, can you just take your hands out of your pocket for me, Carl?
Copy.
All right. Hey.
You need to shut down the three.
Hey, Carl. Carl?
Yeah.
Can you take your hands behind your back for me?
Copy. You can shut down the three.
Not the right thing. Thanks, Carl.
Not the right thing of mine.
Spread your feet on me, okay? Do you have anything else sharp on you that I need to know about? Anything that you want to stick me? All right, think about it for a second. Okay.
Copy.
You got shirts on under here.
Just one.
I'm just gonna put you in handcuffs for right now, Carl. Until we get things under control, okay? I'm gonna go with 2 pairs.
Yeah. I appreciate you doing this, Carl.
What is the matter with my radio?
That's 93. Shut anybody else down using custody.
Copy. Anyone else need to slow down? We have one in custody.
Appreciate you cooperating with us, Carl. Like everybody out here said, we didn't want this to be any more difficult than it had to
Is
be.
Debbie in here, Carl?
She's right over there.
She's in this car.
Okay.
Oh.
She's in the black car. She says I need help.
Okay.
She's just worried about you. All right.
Keep bringing us up.
Yep.
I think the way you're acting, you do need some help, man.
No, I do.
Have you been to
But I
treatment?
was, yeah, but I was going to fucking jail.
You go to treatment before something bad happens, you won't go to jail.
Where am I going now?
You might have
Jail.
you might have a warrant right now.
I know I do.
Well, once you get out, get some treatment. We don't keep cycling back to this condition. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Listen, it is preferable for us for you to get better than for us to keep arresting you. Do you understand? It's like, I don't want to keep coming after you to arrest you. I'd rather see you get the help you need. Alright, my partner's bringing up our one vehicle. Let's go sit in that while we figure out what we got tonight, okay?